Imagine a thriving ecosystem where professional connections intertwine, support flourishes, and individual growth is fostered. Welcome to Community is Everything, a lesson that uncovers the immense value of building and leveraging a community on LinkedIn. In this digital age, harnessing the power of a well-cultivated community can be the key that unlocks new doors to success. With a myriad of benefits such as networking, feedback, brand advocacy, increased visibility, and learning opportunities, developing a strong community around your personal brand on LinkedIn is not just a strategy, it's a game changer. Like Portergale says, your network is your net worth. Let's learn how to create and nurture a LinkedIn community that will elevate your professional life to new heights. Step away from the digital world for a moment. In your real life, what is a community? Community provides a support system, fosters connections, and helps individuals to grow and achieve their goals. In the business world, it's no different. You want all the same things and need your community to achieve your business goals. Here are 5 reasons that a community is essential to your business. Number 1, networking opportunities. Building a community allows you to connect with like-minded individuals and professionals in your field. This can lead to networking opportunities, potential collaborations, and new business partnerships. Number 2, feedback and support. A community can provide valuable feedback on your work, help you overcome challenges, and provide emotional support when needed. This can be particularly valuable for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and solopreneurs who may work in isolation. 3, brand advocacy. A community that is passionate about your work can become advocates for your brand. They may share your content, recommend your services, and help you attract new clients or customers. 4, increased visibility. A community can help you increase your visibility and reach a wider audience. By sharing your content with their own networks, members of your community can help you reach individuals who may not have discovered your brand otherwise. And 5, learning and growth. A community can provide opportunities for learning and growth as members share their own experiences, insights, and knowledge. This can help you stay up to date on industry trends, gain new skills, and continue to develop your personal brand. In summary, community is everything. You can grow exponentially on LinkedIn by taking the time to foster connection and cultivate your own community. Truly, community is everything. In life and in business, community is important. Maintaining a good relationship with your community takes work, but it's worth it. There are many tips for effective community management, but here are 3 that are crucial. Number 1, reply to comments. Reply to all the comments that you can, promptly and professionally. Show your support for followers and connections responses, or further develop the conversation by answering any questions they have and ask follow-up questions. Number 2, like people's comments. In some cases, a comment on your LinkedIn post may not warrant a response, but as long as it is appropriate, you should at the very least like the comment to show your appreciation and let your audience know that you indeed value their time interacting with your content. Number 3, ask questions. No matter the type of post, find opportunities to ask your audience for their opinions, feedback, and perspectives. Ask questions. To build community, you need two-way communication, and you need your audience to feel that their voices are heard and that they are part of the conversation. Following just these 3 tips will go a long way to interacting positively with your community. Always remember that this is social media. The best way to manage your community is to put an emphasis on the social. One of the key features that sets LinkedIn apart from other social media platforms is the ability to have followers and connections on your profile. People can choose to follow you without needing to be directly connected with you, which means that they will see your content, but you won't see theirs. Not only does this feature allow you to expand your reach and grow your audience, but it also enables you to establish a strong personal brand that resonates with everyone inside and outside your network. Building a community around your personal brand on LinkedIn provides a range of benefits, from networking opportunities to emotional support, increased visibility, and opportunities for learning and growth. Remember to focus on community management and all of the community building tactics we have covered in this lesson, so your personal brand grows and thrives. Congratulations on completing the LinkedIn Beginner Learning Path. You should now have a good understanding of what LinkedIn is and how to build your personal or business brand. You should also have a strong foundation for setting expectations, creating smart goals, optimizing your profile page, and understanding post types in the LinkedIn newsfeed. You've learned about easy content topics, personal brand development, and creating your first posts. Also, you now know about various tools that can help you succeed on LinkedIn. With these skills and knowledge, you are now ready to take the next step and enroll in the Intermediate Learning Path. The Intermediate Learning Path will help you master every content type, from written posts to videos, and help you take your personal brand and thought leadership to the next level. Keep in mind that building a personal brand and succeeding on LinkedIn takes time, effort, and consistent action. But with the lessons learned in this course and the upcoming intermediate course, you will be well positioned to achieve all your goals on this platform.